All right, so we got Tyler here. He's a buddy of ours. This is his beautiful W9. Tyler's going up to the Convoy this week. So Tyler, like, what's the deal? Like, what's going on? Like, obviously it's about like freedom, but like, you guys are meeting in Hamilton?
Yep, well, we're meeting up all over. Like, there's guys who met up out in BC, Alberta, and everything. They're all on their way already. And me, so I'm from Hamilton, so I'm meeting up in Hamilton on Thursday, and then from Hamilton we're going up to Kingston, meeting with another group there, and then from there we're going straight to Ottawa.
Yeah.
And we're just basically parking it there until shit changes. So.
Now you basically like unemployed right now because you can't get across the border.
Yep. So that was basically it. That's a lot, like majority of the guys. It's a lot of the main issue, right? We can't cross the border and live in the GTA. A lot of the stuff goes across the border, and the stuff going across Canada doesn't pay enough. So, and now the government's changing it. So any federally regulated company, you have to be fully vaccinated to even work there. So, yeah. So you got customers that won't let unvaccinated drivers in the buildings. Yeah. So the news has been saying it's only we're protesting just for the trucker mandate. That's a lie. That's wrong. This is for everything. It's for every mandate that affects everybody in Canada. It's all wrong. We want it all to end. So
for all the marbles.
Yep. Exactly. So
Tyler's gonna put some flags mounted on his truck here, and he was outside in the snow, fucking around. So I told him, I was like, dude, the shop's open right now. Get it in here. We'll build a nice mount for the back of this thing, and fucking send him on his way up north. Go see Mr. Trudeau.
Beautiful Canadian flag, and then on that side.
That's the good one. So the plan is, what we're gonna do is we're gonna. I got some aluminum kicking around here. We're gonna build a aluminum plate, basically, that he can mount onto his deck plate here. That way he can mount both flags up there, and then just some 1x1 and some plate and some stuff I got laying around here. But let's do work. Alright, so we got some pieces tacked up here. I'm going to weld these verticals yet, but I'll do that on the side. I just want to put a couple gussets on the side here, so I'm going to cut some 45s, some more 1x1, and slam it together. Alright, so we got the base from north-south gussets made up. I'm just cutting some side-to-side, east-west. I'm just going to set in this 1x1 inside the tube, laid out the pipes, so it should all sit nice. Just going to weld this all up as nice as I can. All right, so instead of putting the base just on the base plate, I'm just cutting some angle iron to go across the frame, and then we'll still bolt it to the deck plate, but at least this way it'll kind of it'll straighten it out, because it's like super crooked when it stands by itself. Mostly just because the deck plate's got a big dip in it. I don't know if you guys can see it at all, but just cut a couple pieces, just a couple pieces of angle iron. I'm just gonna weld it across, stitch it. For a trial run. Hey, the flag's upside down, eh? He's back. Tyler just took the truck for a spin. Watching the flags fly. She looks good. Cool as fuck out. Oh my god. It's fucking cool. No, get out of here. Alright, so we just finished up that flag holder for Tyler there. I was gonna be posting up a bunch of stuff about the Convoy. He'll be there this weekend. So his Instagram is at trucker.tyler. Trucker.tyler. So check out him, see his adventures in the Convoy. I feel like we need the Convoy song just posted in there. We got a good old Convoy. Ain't she a beautiful sight? Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Comment down below, let us know what you guys think about this Convoy. You know, these guys are standing up for all of us, really, like everybody. So they just want to get rid of the mandates. See what happens. But good luck to those guys. Good luck to everybody on the road. Stay safe, and see you guys next time. Just off the cuff and shit, man.
Now I know how your buddy felt today.
Oh, the powder coaters. Oh yeah, I don't know what to do with my hands. You do this shit all the time. I just did an outro and I was like, I don't know what the fuck I'm saying to this thing. Like, I don't know. I fucking stayed in the middle of a parking lot holding this fucking camera like an idiot.